10 to 2 in the morning, and this is like literally how bad the gearbox is. I'm gutted. Home. And this is where car will be staying. That's bad. Turned into a wet clutch as well for quite a while. that power down is mint. There we go. First clutch. First gearbox as well, actually. 133,504 miles. She's done well, the old girl, but a lot more to do yet. And down there's a tip full of tools, and I managed to get home. Oh, it's not 10 to 2, it's 1:45. There we go. Your service for quite a while isn't going to be needed. Shame. Audio build to take out. Book it in for a gearbox. I've got the gearbox. That's cost me quite minimal, to be fair, and apparently it was rebuilt quite earlier. Clutch. I've still got that to get. Somebody to fit the clutch and gearbox. Yeah, audio to take out and start redoing the new box and redoing the new system altogether. Bigger alternator to put on. I've got all the underneath of the car to clean because it's covered in oil. I'm hoping it's gearbox oil. It does hint towards gearbox oil because, well, you just heard the gearbox and it like really didn't sound nice. And yeah, other than that, she's been a great car. And we'll see what problems we get in the near future. You know when he goes to next throw it?
I'll catch it. I think next time he tries catching it.
No, he's not going to try catch it. Just now.
Oh, it didn't even flinch, mate.
This one. Keep going. Right. Straight on, mate. Mate, that's louder than it seems. Oh man.
The follower.
Did you ever just said that? It's like
you to wobble it, I'll sit in a bit better.
Fuck off.
it's actually pressing down on tyre.
You're if I try an air up on while we set it, we can pop it out.
What system have you got?
Is it gone up?
No!
Is it out yet?
Yeah.
No, it is.
What's for?